Are you ready to leave the stress behind and focus on your healing? Join me at my transformative retreat where you'll find rest, peace, and the tools to move forward with confidence. It's time to recharge and reclaim your strength. Your healing journey starts here. Imagine a peaceful place where you can heal, rest, and rediscover your confidence. That's exactly what our retreat offers. In just a few days, you'll feel refreshed, re-energized, and ready to take the next steps in your life. Come and experience the transformation for yourself. It's time to release the weight of the past and embrace the healing you deserve. Our retreat offers deep rest and powerful inner work to help you regain confidence and clarity. You'll leave feeling renewed and ready to move forward in your life. Healing and rest are the foundation of our retreats. You'll gain clarity, release what's been holding you back, and find the confidence to move forward in your life. It's time to step into the power and embrace your next chapter. Step away from the busyness of your life and into a space of healing and rest. At our retreat, you'll rediscover your inner strength, rebuild your confidence, and take real steps towards the life you desire. Join us for a transformative experience. Rest is not a luxury, it's a necessity, especially when recovering from burnout. During this retreat, we will embrace rest in all its forms: physical rest, mental rest, and emotional rest. It's in the space of quiet and reflection that true healing happens. You'll have time to disconnect from the busyness of everyday life and reconnect with yourself. This isn't just about taking a break, it's about creating the space for real, lasting transformation. If you're ready to say goodbye to burnout and hello to a more balanced, fulfilling life, I invite you to join me on this retreat. The next step is simple. Just follow the link on the post to learn more and book your spot. Spaces are limited to ensure a personalized, intimate experience, so don't wait too long to reserve your place. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm here to help, and I can't wait to welcome you to this beautiful healing space.